So my grates were pretty bad. And this is my second go around. So I'm gonna scrub with these. This is 50-50 mix of vinegar and water, and get them as good as I can get them. I hope the grill looks so bad though. So a couple of them that I've done so far look way better in the end. I'm expecting to have to replace them, but I don't use them for now. That's what it's looking like right now. After this, I'm going to oil them up and look at the back. It's just totally rusted out, so. Anyway. If you're inside mine, you'll be able to do any. It'll be a longer. So this is what they look like now after I've soaked them in vinegar and scrubbed them twice and used my carbide blade for the ones that were just super orange. And then what I'll do is I will put some oil on them. I'm going to use grapeseed and canola because that's what I have, or a vegetable oil, I'm not sure which yet, but one of those. And then I'm going to bake it and see if I have the progress that I need. So I'm just gonna oil these up. It's nighttime, so I'm not gonna fire up the grill tonight, but in the morning, I'll fire up the grill and see what they look like. Not great, they were orange, so it's definitely an improvement. Like I said, I ordered new ones for different brands when they came today. Unfortunately, they didn't really get my grill, even though I said we could have grill. So the four basically sent to use 3 and leave all the mistakes, and I didn't want to do that. So I'm gonna send those back and then just try to come up with plan B. Any excess oil, I'll wipe off and soak tonight. I'm done oiling them, and in the morning, I'll see how the seasoning does. So not the greatest shape, but they were really orange. And I'm going to try to season them and see if they get any better underneath this kind of orange too. And I didn't do all the vinegar wash for everything beneath the grates, but I'm going to see how it turns out. So it didn't work. All of the orange came back even worse. It's just time for new ones. I'm gonna have to go to plan B. So these are the ones I bought from Amazon, and they would have been a really good replacement, except for my particular grill, which is the Broil King Baron 9221-67. These little indentations here don't line up, so I can only fit, though they gave me 4 of these, I can only fit 3 on the grill. But since mine were so rusted, my originals, I went ahead and used the 3 for what I needed that day. Of just leaving one off for now, and then I'll replace it with one that fits better with my grill later.